In this question, we're given the first three stages of a pattern. So in part A there, we need to draw the next stage, stage 4, on the diagram above. Okay, so to draw this, okay, easy enough. So actually before I'm going to do that, I'm just going to fill in some of the table first, because it's just going to make it slightly easier. So we can see stage 1, number of grade tiles is 4. The next one is 9. The next one is 16. So I can see that these are squared numbers. It's like 4 is 2 squared, 9 is 3 squared, 16 is 4 squared. So that means for the next one, it'll have to be 25. Next one will have to be 36. The number of white tiles is staying as 2 for all of them. Okay, so from that now, I can see in stage 4, I'm going to have to draw 25 grey tiles, and then I'm going to add in the 2 white tiles as well. So I'll do that now. Okay, so there's stage 4 there. So if you have a ruler as well, it'd be a good idea to use it, because your diagram will look a lot nicer then. Okay, so then we could see there. So let's finish off this now. So the total then, we're just adding the number of grey tiles with the number of white. So 9 plus 2 will be 11. 16 plus 2 will be 18. 25 plus 2 is 27. 36 plus 2 is 38. Okay, so there's part A and B done. Part C then, we're told, assuming the pattern continues, the total number of stages is stage n, or Tn, is given by the formula Tn equals n squared plus bn plus c, where b and c are natural numbers. So find the values of b and c. Okay, so it's the total number of tiles, so that's the pattern we're going to be looking at. And so we have 6, 11, 18, 27, 38. Okay, so I can see that this is going to be a quadratic pattern. So to solve these, first of all, let's sub in 1 for n and equal it to the first term. So t of 1, so putting 1 in now instead of n in the formula. So we'll have 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c equals the first term, which is 6. So then we'll have 1 plus b plus c equals 6. So b plus c equals 5, because you bring the 1 across and it's minus. Then let's sub in 2 instead of n and equal it to the second term, which is 11. So I have 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c equals 11. So 2 squared is 4. B times 2 will be 2b plus c equals 11. So then we have 2b plus c equals 7. Because when 4 goes across, you have minus, and 11 minus 4 is 7. So now we have two equations. And to solve this now, we use simultaneous equations. So we have b plus c equals 5. 2b plus c equals 7. I'm going to multiply top row now by minus 1, because they need to cancel. Minus c and plus c cancel. So then minus b plus 2b is just b, so b is equal to 2. Sub this now into one of the original equations, so I'll sub it into b plus c equals 5. So then we have 2 plus c is equal to 5. So then c is going to equal 3, because we bring the 2 across, so 5 minus 2 is 3. And there's our two answers. B equals 2 and c equals 3. For the next part now, we need to find the number of the stage, which has 443 tiles in total. Okay, so we just found out what b and c are, so I'll put those into the general formula. So then we have Tn is equal to n squared. So if b is 2, that'll be 2n plus 3. And so we need to find the number of the stage which has 443. Okay, so we need to solve this now. So bring this across, it'll become minus 443. So n squared plus 2n plus 3 minus 443 equals 0. So then n squared plus 2n minus 440 equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to solve this. So a few ways we could do this. We could use a quadratic formula like we did in a previous question, or else we could factorize it. So I'm going to factorize it because just looking at 440, first factor that springs to mind is 20. And so 20 times 22 would get us 440. So if we had 20 and 22, because I could see there if I took 20 away from 22, I'd get plus 2, which is the coefficient of n. So I know that this is going to work. It has to be plus 2, so it's going to be plus 22 minus 20. So that means n is equal to 20, or n is equal to minus 22. Now, we are asked to find the number of the stage, so we can't have a negative stage, so it can't be that one. So our answer has to be 20, and that's it.